drag racing from circle hill, circle back and beyond. He has literally done it all and has experience on the production side of motorsports as well as performance. All working away for this show of extreme success.
Look at him. Look at that car.
Fuel heat. Yes.
As Chris works his way down to the taxiway, he's demonstrating the tailgate discouraging system installed in jet truck.
He's gonna go traveling to the moon.
We got the fire department ready.
Vehicle going down 53 with you in the morning.
Look at him. Look at the smoke roll out of him. Oh, look at the smoke come out of him. Huh? No, you can watch him there. No, just watch him. It's too heavy. It's too heavy for him.
Right?
Here. Just wait, just wait, just wait.
That white smoke is generated by injecting a fine-grade lubricant into the hot exhaust of the jet engine. It's approved by the EPA for demonstration purposes, and it's only fatal if you are a mosquito.
It's only fatal if you are a mosquito.
You don't want to be a mosquito behind him, do you?
Chris holds a bachelor's degree in marketing and advertising and promotion from Missouri State University, and he's following in his father's footsteps. Chris is now driving the fastest truck in the world on the air show and drag race circuit. Chris owns his own truck accessory company called 4-Wheel Conversion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, watch them preparing to make it